Nothing feels better than the wind blowing in your hair and the warmth of sun in your face. With the Bestop Sunrider for hardtop, you can instantly flip the top open right from your seat and cruise through the open air in a matter of seconds. The Sunrider is made for all weather and provides a solution to those bulky factory Freedom panels. This product provides instant access to an open-air driving experience without ever leaving the front seat. It also provides all-season, year-round functionality for your Jeep Gladiator or Jeep Wrangler JL. This means that even in the winter, you can cruise confidently with your Sunrider for hardtop. You can open and close this top right at the stop sign. As long as you're in a stop position, it only takes a flip and 2 clicks to get instant access to open air. Not only is it practical, but the Sunrider for hardtop also has that clean, classy look. So no matter if your Jeep is used off-road and on the trails or to take your kids to soccer practice, the Sunrider from Bestop is a great option. There are 2 styles to choose from, black diamond or black twill like we have installed on this Jeep. The vinyl material is a great option for more of a blended look, whereas the black twill has more contrast and stands out against the paint. Installation is a breeze and should take 30 minutes or less. The black twill material has a limited lifetime warranty. If you are interested in purchasing the Sunrider for hardtop by Bestop or need help with getting it installed, check out the dealer locator below. And don't forget to leave us a like or a comment. Thanks for hanging out with us on In the Garage, and we'll see you next time.